Hi, I'm Nicola from the Grace Retreat and I'm going to show you how to use the Ultra Calming Cleanser. Okay, so you've used your pre-cleanse, always start with your pre-cleanse, and then you're going to pump some Ultra Calming Cleanser onto your hands, and then you're going to massage over a slightly damp skin. Okay, so the pre-cleanse has removed my makeup. Now your following prescribed cleanser is going to work into your pores of your skin deeper, and it's going to remove any excess oil, any excess pre-cleanse, any excess makeup, and it's also going to treat your skin. So your prescribed cleanser is the right one for your skin type. So Ultra Calming is one of my top sellers. This is for any sensitized, dehydrated skins. It's really lovely. It's so nice and calming. Don't forget chest and neck area. We apply product to our neck area, and our chest area can definitely age as well. So we need to make sure everything we do, we're doing to our neck and chest area. Massage it into the creases of your chin, around your nose where we get a bit oilier. Make sure you're going through your eyebrows. Okay, so you've massaged that all in. So this is really good for eczema skin, calming that acne even as well. Acne skin, this can really calm any of those sore red spots. Rosacea, psoriasis, all of those kind of skin conditions, but also skin like myself, which is just slightly dehydrated, can get a bit pink, can get the odd hormonal spot. It's brilliant. Also, you can use Ultra Calming over the eye area. It won't take off waterproof makeup, but it will take off any other makeup that you have around your eye area. And it's safe to use over lash extensions, as I'm wearing. Okay, once you've massaged it in, you'll then take your sponges and water and you remove. Again, as I said with the pre-cleanse, you can use this over a basin of water, or you can use it in the shower, but I just suggest that you step out of the running water, you dampen your sponges down under the water, and then you use sponges to remove. The reason you use sponges is because it's going to make sure you're removing it all. If you just rinse or splash your skin with water, it doesn't remove all of the product. So making sure you're using sponges will make sure that you're removing all of the product. Okay, so after you use the Ultra Calming Cleanser, your skin will feel nicely hydrated, super clean, super calm, and really fresh. It's got a really nice texture. It's kind of a mixture of a gel and a cream kind of texture, so it's a really nice texture to use. Okay, there'll be a link below for more information. Thank you.